Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, Qlik Cloud customers can now address common operational report and distribution requirements with our new Tabular Reporting capabilities. Report developers can use an Office 365 Excel add-in to create custom formatted Excel documents from Qlik data and Qlik visualizations. Governed report tasks can burst these reports, delivering recipient-specific data to any stakeholder with the Qlik platform as the source for business decisions. This new capability allows customers to create bursted reporting use cases on one platform and offers Qlik and printing customers a means to migrate their Excel tabular reporting use cases to Qlik Cloud. It also provides developers with an integrated, easy-to-use burst reporting capability from within Qlik Sense apps. And that is your SaaS in 60. To watch more in 60, check out the SaaS in 60 playlist in our YouTube channel, and be sure to visit the Qlik Learning portal at learning.qlik.com, your one-stop shop for all your learning needs.